Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm here with a different video, and in today's video we have an Acer laptop. This one is an Acer Aspire 3, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can remove the battery or replace the battery with a new one. If your battery is not holding up any more charge and you want to replace it, in this video I'm going to take you step by step on how you can do that. Few tools you're going to be needing. Tool number one is an opening tool or screwdriver set. I use the UFIXTEK tool set. They come with just a screwdriver set, or they come with an extended set, which is the opening tools and all the pliers that you need. I'll leave the link in the description, but I already recommend you guys at least get the screwdriver set. They will last you way too long. They're not like any other brand. And from here, we're going to be using Phillips number 0. Again, I'm not getting paid to promote the brand or anything like that. I literally love this UFIXTEK tools. And the next tool would be opening tool. For opening tool, I use the guitar pick, a metallic guitar pick. I rather use this one than the one that comes in the tool set with a handle. So because the whole handle thing, it doesn't go with me. So I rather have it nicely fit in my hand, just like this. So grab yourself an opening tool, guitar pick, and the screwdriver. I attach a magnet right beside it. And now we're gonna remove all the screws at the bottom cover. These screws are about 10 of them. They are the same size. So don't worry about mismatching them. So go ahead and remove all the screws. Again guys, if you guys like this video and I helped you guys out, please click that thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. And I only see a few of the viewers only subscribe to my channel. If you guys could subscribe, it will be a really big help for me to motivate me to make more videos, take requests, or even help you guys out in the comment area. I always answer all my comments, so don't worry about that one. Probably take a few hours to answer, but I always answer them. Anyway, once you remove the bottom screws, what you want to do, you want to grab your opening tool and you want to stick it between the bottom and the top cover right here, just about 2 or 3 millimeters. And then what you want to do, you just want to twist it. You want to hear those clicks. There we go. Go to the side, work all around to the back, to the right side. You don't need to stick the whole guitar pick inside, so just about 2 or 3 millimeters. And then what you want to do, you want to do the back end. And that will be all. Now what you want to do is just grab the bottom cover and it should come out pretty easy. Now that you have the bottom cover right here, and the battery, you won't miss it, it's just right in front of you. The model for this battery is an AP16M5J. Alright, I'll try to find the link for this battery, I'll leave it in the description. To remove the battery, first you have to remove this tape right here. And first, go ahead, you don't need to unplug it right now. Just remove the tape and go ahead and remove 2 screws that hold the battery from the sides. Again, these screws are the same size. There we go. Now what you want to do, you want to grab it, bring it backwards so you have enough room to play around with these cables here. And what you want to do, you want to pull these cables, this jack backward. And there we have it. And that's how you remove your battery. Alright, and let's say that you have the new battery, you want to place it in, just bring it over, put it on top. But I always put a little offset so I can have enough room to connect it. Just bring it through from the side and push it toward the jack. Make sure it's nice and snuggled right there. Put the battery right on top align it, make sure the screw holes match, grab the screws, place it right one on each corner, and then if you still have this tape, put it on top, but it's not necessary. Go ahead and put it there. Again, if you want to replace the battery for the BIOS, this is the battery for the BIOS, and you just remove it from here, and there's a one jack comes out. This is the BIOS battery. If your date and time and date it just keeps resetting every time you turn it on, it's because this battery is low. All right, once you finish with that, you want to grab the top cover and bring it over and put it on top, and stop pressing down on the corners, and you want to hear those clicks. Okay. And the last thing would be down here to grab the bottom screws and start screwing from one corner all around, and the last one will be in the middle. So let's do this one. One more thing I'm just going to talk to you guys about. This is really important. Once you upgrade remove the battery, the best way is to first don't turn on the laptop. Once you upgrade the battery, plug in the charger and let it sit down for about 2 or 3 hours so the battery fills up, because the initial battery comes with a 50 or 60% charge. So do not power on the laptop, plug it in, let it charge fully. Once it's charged for 3 hours, then unplug the charger and then use the laptop without the charger. Let the battery drain down all the way down to 10%, and then turn it off, plug it in again, let it charge up, so you give one cycle of nice discharge and charging to the battery. So that way the battery will last, it starts nicely. So don't go on start using while you're turning on and charging at the same time on initial charge. So always do an initial charge and discharging without the charger, and power it off when you want to charge. After that, you can just use it normally. And also update your BIOS for any power management updates that they might have. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.